Okay, welcome everybody to section 2.5, example 2, letter F, up here at top. I did not do in class. This is quite a long one. So if you notice, we will use our chain rule here. We have an outer function, which looks like y to the fifth, right? And we have some sort of an inner function, which looks like our long fraction there. All right, so applying the chain rule, we're going to take the derivative of our outside function, leave the inside function alone, but then we need to take the derivative of our inside function, which means we have to use the quotient rule here. And there's the quotient rule. The writing's sort of small. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to review that a little bit closer. Okay, and moving right along, then from there, we're just going to do a whole lot of distribution. So let us go ahead, I'll mark it in red. I'm going to go ahead and distribute these terms right here. And there you go after the distribution. Now, if you will please notice, I am just going to try to simplify this just a touch. If you notice this part right here in red, notice how I'm going to rewrite just that part. And now I'm going to combine some of my like terms in this bracket, like 4y to the fifth and 2y to the fifth. Okay. And you'll get that. And go ahead again and pause the video if you need to. And now multiplying numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. Let's see. And we could also factor out a little bit as well. Oh goodness, this is a long problem. So, if you notice, I just multiplied numerator by numerator. Please notice my two denominators here, my y squared plus 1 to the fourth and y squared plus 1 squared. We just add our exponents when we are multiplying. All right. Now, if you notice up here, I'm just trying to save some room here, but see this in here? I'm going to try to simplify just a little bit. This right here, this numerator, I am going to factor out a 2y there. Are you okay? All right, so right here, we're going to write times 2y, which leaves us, and then we can simplify that just a pinch more by combining the 2y and the 5.